Has the cryptocurrency bull market begun? Is Bitcoin going over $6,000? What's going on, guys? My name is Crypto Chris and I'm back with another cryptocurrency breakdown of Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP. Before I jump into this, guys, if you're liking the videos, please drop a like, subscribe, tick the little bell to get the notification for when the next video drops. Alright, first of all, guys, I'm on the Bitcoin daily chart. I just want to show you what's been going on here for the past month or so since we had this massive rise on April the 1st. So first of all, I want to show you guys the bullish bias and also the bearish bias. So first of all, we have been making these higher highs. Again, another high, another high, bullish formation. We have been making higher lows following this trend line, higher lows. Another bullish formation. We have broken above previous resistance. As you can see, guys, we took out this resistance here. We took out this high here with today's candle, and we're breaking above this red box, which should act as resistance. We have this trend line which has been respected time and time again, and now we're finding support on previous resistance, another bullish formation. But we're still in a bear market. In my opinion, we haven't broken above 6,000, which in my opinion will act as significant resistance. This whole area here, boom, needs to be taken out. Once this area is taken out, then I believe we will back in bull market territory and we can start to climb higher. So what I'm hoping is that we have one final push to the upside, consolidate, and then carry on higher. Some people believe that once 6,000 will be tested, we'll start rolling back down to the lower 4,000s, maybe even back down to this region here. But in my opinion, we're far away from that even happening at the moment. Also, another indicator I want to show you guys is the BLX chart, and I just want to show you something that I've noticed. So if I jump onto the weekly chart, and I just want to bring your attention to the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index, and it shows when a certain asset is overbought and oversold. So an asset 30 or below is classed as oversold, an asset 70 above is classed as overbought. And I just want to show you this trend line, if you like. So we go back to 2016, and every time we tap this trend line, we quickly bounce to the upside. And then look at this, in January 2018, we broke below, tried to break above, got rejected, and then we started climbing all the way down until we hit oversold territory. And then since then we've been climbing up. Right, what does this mean? What does the RSI mean? Let me just show you. So look what it coincides with. So let me bring up the chart. Right, as you can see, in 2016, guys, where this RSI broke above this trend line, it ignited the bull market. So as you can see, in 2016 here, we was on an upside trajectory to the upside, and in January we broke below, and then we haven't broken above. And look at this, guys, I just want to bring your attention to here. Look, we have broken above this trend line for the first time in well over a year. So we've broken above this trend line, so we can maybe retest and start climbing higher. I mean, this is another indicator to me that shows me, is the bull market about to happen? I mean, in the Wall Street cheat sheet, as you guys might be aware, for the market to be back and be in a disbelief rally, we need to make a higher high. And as you can see, a high was made. Our previous high was this, and another high was made. In my opinion, if we successfully break above this trend line here, we actually surpass it, and then I would say we're pretty much guaranteed bull market. There'll be a lot of euphoria, there'll be a lot of hysteria, a lot of retail traders will rush back into Bitcoin, but unfortunately by that time it might be a bit too late to get in the market. So are we in a bull market for Bitcoin? A lot of indicators are showing that we are, but as you guys may know, Bitcoin is a heavily manipulated market and it can catch you off by surprise. I mean, everyone gets excited and then you can get a massive candle of doom, a massive red stick of doom, and reject you all the way back down to previous support, break down under support, and then retest lower high, the previous lows. So as of yet, I'm in a 50-50 still with Bitcoin and the crypto market in a full-on bull market at the moment. So I'm awaiting further confirmations, and once I get these confirmations, I will be uploading them onto a YouTube video very soon. But I just wanted to show you, this is another indicator, this break of resistance. I mean, look, last time we broke above this was September 2015, and we haven't broke above it since till April the 1st, and we finally broke above this resistance zone. So this is one indicator I'm definitely paying attention to. So next up we have Ethereum. If you've watched my previous video, if not, please watch it. I had this down sloping resistance. I was awaiting a break of the resistance to possibly retest this region here, and look guys, long behold, this area was retested once again once we broke above the trend line. Now price is starting to drop. We had a drop in price, but if we can find resistance on this support, if we can find support on this trend line again, maybe we can start trying to climb higher and finally take out that high of $190. And in my opinion, if we have that break of $190, that should easily propel us to my target of $220. I've been saying it for the past few weeks. My target still remains $220. If this support doesn't hold, then we can fall back down and start retesting this trend line here once again. Right, next up, XRP. If you guys are familiar with pattern formations, what I've noticed here, we have been forming a wrong indicator. So what I've noticed here, let me just find it right. So what I've noticed here, we've been forming a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a bearish formation. It is formed by resistance at the top and upsloping resistance on its way up. And usually with this formation, once we reach the apex here, if we support breaks, and then this should easily take us back down and retest that 29 cent region. As you guys may be aware, you know my opinion on XRP. I love XRP. In my opinion, it has the most partnerships out of any other cryptocurrency, has the most potential in my opinion. Ripple is an amazing multi-billion-dollar company, and you guys might be aware of the RIA money transfer partnership and the 4.0 version, which is to implement quick switchover for ex current clients to switch over to XRapid, which utilizes the XRP token for remittance. So in my opinion, price is just, not surprised, we're still in this region here. Accumulation is still going on, guys, unfortunately, but ultimately I think our patience will be rewarded, and then we will have our bull run in itself for XRP. I mean, at the moment, the one in the limelight is Bitcoin, also Ethereum. I mean, you might have heard about the Ethereum's futures contract. So at the moment, it's their time to shine. But believe me, XRP's time will come. It will shine, and it will shine bright, guys. And then that $3.90 previous high will absolutely obliterate it in the next bull run. Also, some cryptocurrency news. Fidelity getting into cryptocurrency custody and will allow the institutional investors to actually buy physical Bitcoin. I mean, this news is being reported. It's going to happen within the new weeks, and in my opinion, once we have the confirmation and exact date that Fidelity, if you're not sure who Fidelity is, they're one of the biggest asset management companies in the world. I believe currently they've got $7 trillion under management. They are one of the biggest corporations, if you like, and once we have a date of that trading Bitcoin is now available, I reckon we're going to absolutely rocket in price, guys. So just a bit of heads up of news to come and what to look out for. So that's what begs me to believe. I mean, we've got bats coming, we've got Fidelity getting involved, all this institutional money coming into the crypto market, and I think this will ignite the cryptocurrency bull run. But the crypto game is like the Wild West. You need to remain vigilant. You need to always look at the opposite bias and always be prepared that the trade can also go against you. So, right, guys, quick summary. Bitcoin almost at $6,000. We are literally touching distance. It's one of the regions a lot of people are expecting for price to get rejected, either hardly, or we're going to fly straight through and start consolidating. Ethereum, if this trend line holds, then a retest of $190, especially if we get the news that the CFTC have approved an Ethereum futures contract. XRP, unfortunately, still quite bearish on this crypto until the chart shows me otherwise. We have this obviously rising wedge formation that I'm going to be following. We have the RSI once again. Look, we have broken above this resistance since basically 4 years. It's taken us to break over this resistance. Last time we broke up, no, since we broke above it was we broke below it in January, so it's taken us a year and a half to break above it. Is this another sign that the crypto market has started? Anyway, guys, I will keep you updated on all the videos and any updates, any current price action. I will be keeping you guys updated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tick the little bell, get the notification for the next video, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris, over and out.